I am going to teach very, very soon in the next weekend a new course online exactly on these teachings. It's called The Hidden Realms, Angels, Demons, Spirits, and Magic. And there I'm going to start going deeper into these things, understanding what are the various levels of reality, even the hidden, of course, the subtle levels, the hidden reality, the hidden realms, understanding those frequencies, understanding our relationship, where are we as human beings in this pyramid of power, and how as human beings we can actually interact with the hidden realms, what interaction is recommended, what interaction is not recommended, and going into the different civilizations that ancient ones, that many of them already are gone, and what exactly were they doing? What are the teachings of shamanism and animism? What are the teachings of Tantra about this? And as we go deeper into that, you will see that as a human being, it is irresponsible from your side to just close your eyes, submit to the programming of modern science, and totally be ignorant to what really goes on in the world. If you suddenly open your eyes to the truth about the different spirits, entities, energies that are continuously in our vicinity everywhere, in many levels, if you understand what really goes on, then suddenly there are no more accidents. Suddenly it's not just a coincidence. Then you start understanding that actually, oh my goodness, whatever is going on for a reason. So are there various forces that are affecting your life that you're not aware of? You better believe it. There's a lot of them. And the real sad thing is that it's not that they exist and you were just not told. All these forces exist and it was actively being hidden from you. You are kept in the dark for a reason. Because you should not know the truth. That's what they think, those elite people. They think that you don't deserve to know the truth. You should not have power. A lot of things which are happening in your life come as a result of various energies, intelligences, entities, and spirits which interact with you. You're actually encouraged. Listen to this. You're actually encouraged, subconsciously, you're encouraged to interact with various spirits, and you don't even know it. Isn't that crazy? You don't even know it. Because you need to know. You need to know how to live your life correctly, how to avoid the pitfalls, how to avoid attracting to yourself horrible entities, negative entities, entities with agendas, how to attract the good entities. You need to know these things. But you don't, because nobody teaches you. And there's actually, sorry to say, I'm not a conspiracy theorist, but there's actually an agenda that you should not know. There's a lot of practical things to know. How to behave, what to do, how to prepare, how to change your frequency and your resonance, how yoga and tantra can be a huge help in modern times with the modern programming that we're exposed to, in totally giving you control over your destiny, giving you control over your programming, how you can disconnect yourself from the wrong energy and the wrong entities or spirits, how to establish connection with the correct ones, with the spiritual ones, and how to then start bringing to your life something incredible.